Hey guys, I have some exciting news to share with you. I am going to be teaching this quilt on a cruise coming up next year. We are going to be cruising May 10th through 17th, and that's 2026. I have it right here, so I'm peeking so I don't lie to you. It is called Ocean Waves and Quilting Days, and I am very excited to be teaching this fun pattern. This is my latest garden star pattern. It's in my shop. I started selling it at QuiltCon, so you might have seen it before, but I feel so blessed to be teaching another quilt class, quilt cruise, with Stitchin Heaven. I just love them. They put on such a great event. It's a great experience. What you want to know about the cruises is that the sewing room is always open. So you can come in and work on stuff anytime you want. We have class when we are cruising. So when we're on sea, moving from port to port, is class days. When we are ported, when we're docked on port, then we basically have free days. So the sewing room's open, people are in sewing, making progress, but you can also go out and have some fun excursions. I went on a few and I've had so much fun. Maybe I'll post some photos of my monkeys and birds. Oh, such a fun time. I feel blessed. So I also wanted to show you what I will be working on and how their kits work. So this is Alaska, and I am teaching it on a cruise to Alaska. This is by Laundry Basket Quilts, and it is just a beautiful pattern. I am so excited to have this as a quilt that I'm gonna make. I think the second quilt I made was a kaleidoscope quilt, and this is a kaleidoscope quilt, but it's like on steroids, and it's just gorgeous. So the way that their kits work is they cut out the pieces the way that they have them in the instructions. So this pattern, this pattern has all kinds of templates that you need to make and cut. And if you get a kit from Stitchin Heaven, they cut it for you. So you don't have to fuss with all these crazy pieces. There's triangles in this one in particular. And there's diamonds. I am just excited to make this quilt because it is absolutely beautiful. So this will be so much fun. Some other updates. I am going to be doing a shop update on Friday. So I'm going to be loading all kinds of fabric bundles to the shop on Friday. So look out for that. I am going to also be finally putting templates together on this and putting them on my blog for, I guess, this Tuesday, this coming up, not tomorrow. Well, I don't know if tomorrow is when I'm going to post this, but next Tuesday, I am going to be posting my templates for this shirt, and I will be adding these templates and the pattern for the earrings to the shop on Friday's shop update. I also have another thing. Join my email list, and I am going to be sharing some other fun templates. So I also have one more. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that one. I think I'm going to add it to the shop. Maybe. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching. Join me on a cruise. Come stop by the blog on Tuesday and join my email list and get some fun updates. See you soon. Bye now.